Today, there are so many ways to make money both in person and online. I've been making a full-time living, working for myself, for about 14 years now, and it's not just doing one thing. I know there are a lot of people out there who are gonna tell you focus on one thing. Well, I have another approach. My approach is that I want to try different things all the time and incorporate them into my business. And I am a non-native English speaker. I've been learning English for a while, and today I will tell you about side hustles that I've already tried or I'm about to try this year. I know that a lot of you guys are not native English speakers, but with AI, it has become so much easier. So here we go, my top 5 side hustles for 2025. And number 1 is something that I'm super excited about that I'm already doing. I just applied for another deal. By the way, this deal pays $1,000 and it's for a very well-known makeup brand. I just applied, we'll see if they approve me. But on average, this side hustle brings me $500, $600 per video, and I'm not creating videos for my social media. I am creating videos for somebody else, for another company, and this is called UGC content. UGC videos are short-form videos that companies use in their social media accounts or in ads. And the best part, they used to pay tens of thousands of dollars to agencies to hire actors, to hire videographers. Now they are paying influencers or creators to do that. And the thing is, you do not have to have a large following for this. So how it works, you need a smartphone with a good camera and a basic understanding of what makes content engaging. Brands are constantly looking for relatable, real-life content that showcases their products in an organic way. So what you need to do is you need to start a TikTok or an Instagram account where you start demonstrating different things you want to be reviewing. If you're a girl and you have a lot of makeup, start reviewing makeup that you already have. The goal for creating these videos is for you to practice reviewing things, but also to create a portfolio. Some people even do this completely faceless, but if you're comfortable showing your face, you can often charge more. How much can you make? As I said, deals that I accept need to start at around $500 because I'm a full-time creator, but I know because I'm not posting this on my social media and it takes me basically 20 minutes to create a video, I would just take a $500 deal. Why not? For beginners without a following, a typical rate for one UGC video is around $200. However, many creators offer bundles, for example, 3 videos for $500, so it's more attractive for you and more attractive for brands. Another important factor here is paid usage right. If a brand wants you to use your video as an ad, they will pay you extra. And sometimes they pay like 50% of the original price. For example, if your video costs $200, an additional usage for 3 months would be $100, and you don't have to do any extra work. How do you get started? You can break into UGC and start getting paid today. First, you need to make a few videos for a portfolio. This sounds like a lot of work, but what if I told you you don't even need a camera? If I wanted to get started in UGC, I would go to heygen.com and start creating videos using their new UGC avatars. They have over 100. You can choose from all with different looks. Choose your avatar, throw in some B-roll, add a script, and voila, a polished UGC ad is ready to go. With consistency, this could turn into a solid income stream from home. And by the way, there is another way to create engaging content without being an influencer, without being a native in English, and it's by using AI. And what if I told you that you could make videos in over 175 languages without actually speaking them? I already tried. Let's look at this video. I've been learning English since I was 4. It turns out I didn't have to do that because now I'm speaking Russian and the neural network is translating me into English. And I possess a charming British accent. Übrigens, Deutsch musste auch nicht gelernt werden. Das neuronale Netz speichert meine Stimme, Intonation, Gesicht, nur die Lippen bewegen sich anders. And all of this can be accomplished without charge. Simply upload your initial video and it will be translated by the network. I made those videos using HeyGen, and they are the sponsor of today's video. HeyGen is an AI-powered video platform that helps creators and businesses translate videos and even generate hyper-realistic avatars. It's perfect for anyone looking to expand their reach globally, whether you're freelancing, running a business, or growing a faceless YouTube channel. So here's how it works. You upload your video, you use HeyGen's AI to translate and sync your voice into another language, and you share your localized content with the world effortlessly. Imagine how much easier it would be to connect with international clients or grow an audience in multiple languages. Plus, you don't have to be on camera. You can use HeyGen AI avatars to create professional content without showing your face. I've tested it myself, and here are the results. The results are incredible. If you want to scale your content and reach a global audience, check out HeyGen. Isn't that amazing? The link is in the description. Try it for free today. Now, speaking of AI, let's talk about how it's revolutionizing video editing and making content creation easier. It's actually a great side hustle because everybody wants to be a creator, but I haven't met too many creators who are super passionate about editing. With AI tools, it's never been easier to edit a video. So basically, there are so many software tools out there that help streamline the process, making it faster and more efficient while still producing high quality results. So here's how it works. You can just go on App Store and type in AI video editing. So when it comes to trimming videos, like quickly removing unnecessary parts, there are apps that do that automatically. You can generate accurate captions automatically. You can color correct videos using AI instruments. The market pays on average from $20 to $100 per short video, or if it's long form or if you're paid by hours, then it's $15 to $70+ per hour, depending on complexity and client needs. Some professionals charge $500 to $1,000 per project for high-quality AI-enhanced editing services. How do you start? First of all, get acquainted with all the AI tools. I would recommend creating some UGC content, like review something, post them on TikTok or Instagram, build your portfolio, and start offering your services. There are platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, but ideally, like if I were you, I would join some Telegram communities where people are looking for creative specialists. Side hustle number 3, it's called a faceless YouTube channel, and it's another great way to make money from home. And it's basically creating a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools to automate the process. So we have a channel on TOEFL, we have a channel on IELTS, and sometimes we make videos where you don't even see the face. We use AI to generate a presentation. Of course, we go through it. Of course, we make sure that it's great content. And then we use 11 Labs to create voiceovers. And these videos work. You can write a script using Perplexity that does all the research for you. You can generate B-roll with HeyGen. You can generate an AI avatar that's going to present everything with HeyGen. And then you use AI video editing tools to make it look professional. How do you make money? So basically, when you see an ad while watching my video, YouTube gets 100% of revenue from the advertiser and then sends 45% of that revenue to me. This is how I make money on YouTube. And the main metric to consider is cost CPM, cost per mil, meaning cost per 1,000 ad views, which ranges from $1 to $15 on average. In high niches like finance and technology, CPMs can exceed $20. For example, channels targeting US audiences typically earn higher CPM rates than those targeting people from other regions. I want to say, as a YouTuber with 10 years of experience, this is a very competitive niche, but at the same time, I've met so many creators who just do that. They never show their face, they just do faceless videos. And because this is such a repeatable process, once you figure out how to do one channel, you can do 10 channels, you can do 20 channels, 30 channels. Most of the successful creators that I meet in this niche, they have a lot of channels and they're making a lot of income. So you get started by picking a profitable topic with good monetization potential, but also the ones that sparks your interest. And you start gathering AI tools for scripting, visuals, editing, and voiceovers. Do not forget to educate yourself on how YouTube works, what strategies increase video visibility, and once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, apply for a YouTube Partner Program. Building a faceless YouTube channel with AI is smart, but it also requires certain skills. It's an interesting path, but you have to be genuinely interested in the stories that you're telling, because this is the only way that you can make those stories interesting for other people. Okay, the next one, virtual assistant. I actually have a virtual assistant in Indonesia. I know that her English is really bad, but she was specifically trained to work with American business people using certain AI tools. Yes, you could argue like, but in 2025, who needs a virtual assistant? Because everybody uses AI. Not really. She still does a lot of things for me that AI cannot do. You can help with email management, calendar scheduling, customer service, basic administrative duties, social media management, content creation. And you will use AI to streamline workflows and increase productivity. And like 5 years ago, when I was advising you guys to try virtual assistants, I was telling that this is a job for someone who has almost, upper intermediate to advanced English. Now, I would say if your English is intermediate, you can make it work. Virtual assistants can earn between $10 to over $60 an hour, depending on experience and skills. Entry-level VA, like you guys are, if you're just starting out, I would say $10 to $15 an hour. And those with more experience can start charging more. How do you get started? So first of all, of course, you learn popular productivity tools. Start creating a portfolio of things you can do. And then you start with freelance platforms to offer services to local businesses. And again, you can be anywhere, but you can start targeting the US. One difficulty to be aware of, though, are time zones. My assistant in Indonesia is actually available from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I don't know how she does it, but I try to give her most of her work during California morning times. More and more people are becoming entrepreneurs, so demand for virtual assistants is actually growing despite AI tools, etc. I see more and more people around me who are just starting out, beginner creators, beginner business people. They're like, my first hire should be a personal assistant so I can delegate some of the things I have to do daily. Okay, and my last side hustle that we are trying with my team is called TikTok Shop. I have a friend. She almost quit YouTube and Instagram, switched to TikTok Shop. She makes $200,000 in sales as a creator there on TikTok, and she gets 20% as commission. And she talks about all the beauty products. And the reality is more and more people are actually using TikTok Shop to shop. This culture, if you're watching from Asia, you know that a lot of sales in your countries are happening from live streams. This culture is coming to the US, and platforms are pushing this culture like crazy. So how it works? TikTok Shop allows creators to sell products directly through their videos. All you need is a TikTok account, access to TikTok Shop, and a product to promote. You can either sell your own products or become an affiliate for brands, earning a commissions on sales generated through your videos. The key is to create engaging, authentic content that grabs attention and makes viewers want to purchase. Your earnings, of course, depend on the products you promote and how well your videos perform. TikTok Shop typically pays a commission for every sale, which can range from 50 cents to $5 per purchase depending on the product. Look for products with higher commissions. The thing is, you can sell something that earns you 50 cents per purchase or $5 per purchase or $200 per purchase. It takes the same amount of time to make that video, so you might as well choose items that pay more. The more viral your videos go, the more chances you have to sell. But everything that I mentioned here requires consistency. So if you start promoting products on TikTok Shop, go to TikTok, find trending products and high commission items, look for products that you already own, because you don't have to buy anything, and feel comfortable promoting. Create fun, engaging content, showcase those products, be as authentic as if you're talking to your friend. And with TikTok's algorithm, even small accounts can gain significant visibility. It's a great way to practice your English. It's a great way to make money from home. It's a great way to show what you like, to show what you love. That's it for today's video. I want you guys to let me know what side hustles you've tried and what's the outcome. Comment down below. Even if it's the worst side hustle and you're like, Marina, I tried it, this is what I've done, this is why I think it didn't work. It's gonna be so useful for people watching this video because I told you about my experience, but obviously I'm an experienced creator. I have a studio, I have some lighting, I know how to work in front of the camera because I've done it for 11 years. Believe me, my first videos were really amateur. I was like, but now I'm better. So it all depends on how determined you are to succeed. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll leave all the links below. Subscribe to this channel and share this video with someone who really wants to start making some money online and join the creator economy. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon in my next videos. Bye.